Congress has powers that are clearly written in the Constitution, but did you know they also have powers that aren't? In this video, you'll learn about the enumerated and implied powers of Congress, the differences between the House and Senate, and how impeachment works. Congress's powers are outlined in Article 1 of the U.S. Constitution. These include enumerated powers, powers explicitly listed, and implied powers, those interpreted from the Constitution. Enumerated powers are found in Article 1, Section 8. These include the power to raise taxes, spend tax revenue, borrow money, regulate commerce, maintain armed forces, and declare war. Congress can also fund national programs like education, public safety, and social security. Implied powers come from Clause 18 of Section 8, also called the Necessary and Proper Clause or the Elastic Clause. This lets Congress pass laws needed to carry out their enumerated powers, even if those laws aren't directly listed. For example, Congress has used this clause to create federal agencies like the FBI, criminalize bribery, and fight counterfeiting. Each chamber of Congress also has exclusive powers. The House of Representatives must start any bills that involve raising or spending money, and they choose the president if no candidate wins a majority of electoral votes. The Senate chooses the vice president in that same situation, and it approves treaties and confirms presidential nominees, including Supreme Court justices. Both chambers play a role in impeachment. The House brings the charges. If a federal official is impeached, the Senate holds the trial. For presidential trials, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court presides. Historically, fewer than 20 officials have been impeached, and even fewer have been removed from office. Notably, Andrew Johnson and Bill Clinton were impeached by the House but acquitted by the Senate. Richard Nixon resigned before he could be impeached. Let's now go over what we just learned. Congress has enumerated powers that are clearly listed and implied powers from the Elastic Clause. The House and Senate also have unique responsibilities, especially when it comes to impeachment and major national decisions. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.